Kicking on board S. Blends. Day 1. A big slip. I want to slide down the slope. Go slow, said Mom. Oh. I went too fast and I slammed into a tree. Ouch, I said. My sleeve was full of twigs. My mom took me home. She put my arm in a sling. Then she gave me a slice of pizza after I slept. I feel better now, I said, but I don't want to slide down the slope anymore. Comprehension. Number 1. What did the otter slam into? The otter slammed into a tree. Number 2. Why did Mom put the otter's arm in a sling? Because the otter likely injured their arm when they slammed into the tree. Number 3. What did the otter eat? Pizza. Thank you.